Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Okay, class, well done for your midterm test you did last week. Alright, congratulations. Well, for today's topic, I'm going to discuss about something related to culture, pop cultures, popular cultures, folk cultures, and of course, it is still related to how you learn language related to that. Okay, to be exact but you precisely, let me show you my slide. Here it is. Okay, we're going to talk about folk and popular culture today. Well, by looking at the picture, I don't think you recognize all. I think everybody will understand about these pictures about who Arjuna is, who the dancers from, where are the dancers from. Okay, so folk and popular cultures. Let me start from the definition, giving examples and overlap between folk and popular cultures and implications. Right. Um, Definition. Right. What is meant by folk culture actually? Original culture of a certain group of people, and it is not intended for a mass audience beyond that community. This is folk. Okay. The stress here is that it is not intended for a mass audience beyond that community. Say, usually and mostly the folk cultures derive from uh, what is it, regency or area that is the culture uh, coming from, right? And then some examples of folk cultures here. For example, you know this? Where is it from? Okay, exactly. You know where it is from. Well, this is Tari Yospan, Papua. I think one of you is coming from Papua, isn't it? Isn't it? Oh, all right. Don't talk about that. Okay. Folk culture examples. Another folk culture examples is over here. You know this, right? Okay. This is Betawi dancing. Tarian-tarian Betawi, yeah, which is related to the culture, of course. And then popular culture now. We just now discussed about what is it, folk culture, but now we come to the popular culture. What's the definitions? Okay, let's take a good look at this definition. Those systems of artifacts that most people share and that most people know about. So sharing and knowing, right? That is the key concept. And then people culture comes from the people, right? Not coming from the others, right? Yeah, people culture comes from the people. But it is consumed under the conditions of commerce or profit-oriented activities. So this is popular. Right, some examples. All right, before giving you example, let me show you what is it, the characteristic of popular culture. Here we go. One of the characteristic of popular culture is that it is produced by culture industry. Okay, so we have industries here, and the industry produces the culture, the popular cultures. And then characteristic number two, it is different from folk culture, of course. The name is different, of course. The characteristic also different, right? And then it is everywhere, everywhere in the world, not only in Indonesia. Right. It fills social functions. In every popular culture, of course, will feel social functions. Let's say, for example, when you see at the beginning of my slide, you see Arjuna, yeah, holding the arrow. Of course, what is meant by what is the social functions of Arjuna? What is it? Holding the arrow. It means that he is very skillful at using the arrow, especially penetrating. Especially the arrow is aimed at the most beautiful girl in the world, right? Okay. You know this? This is the picture of what? Borobudur, yeah, Borobudur temple. It has characteristic, and every what is it? Every part of this, this temple has its own meaning and characteristic. Right. And then, oh, look at this. Those beautiful gold. This is also popular culture, right? Oh, I don't think that everyone not interested in it. Everybody, everyone, especially what is it? The men in this class, yeah. Okay. And then, oh, look at this. This couples. You still remember the movie of what is it? What movie is that, class? Mm-hmm. That derived from Celine Dion, probably the soundtrack movie. And this is the movie of telling about the ship, and in the ship there is love over there. Still remember? Okay, I don't think you forget it. All right, now some examples of popular culture in Indonesia. Like one example is from a contemporary Indonesian popular culture, like what is it? Dangdut, yes, Dangdut by Roma Irama is the most popular. What is it? Dangdut singers. Yeah, this is also a popular culture. And then number two is Indonesian movie. Yeah, who doesn't know Nyi Blorong or Nyi Roro Kidul? Yeah, Indonesian movie like this one is very popular in Indonesia. Not only in Indonesia, people all over the world will also enjoy the movie. Now number three, Borobudur and Prambanan Temple I just showed you just now. Okay, and the next one is number four, Bedah Rumah, for example. The idea of gotong royong when you see about Bedah Rumah. And in my community, we have also not only Bedah Rumah but also building the new house for people who needs the house, especially for the poor, and it costs you about let's say for about 50 to 75 millions rupiah. And then where is the money from? The money is from yes, from our own shape. From our own pocket, right? Yeah, right. From the people who are willing to donate their money. Also, one of examples of Indonesian popular culture, like self-defense, this is silat. Yeah, silat is different from karate and from jiu-jitsu and the like. Silat is Indonesian popular culture also. Now, let's move on to examples of Asian, yeah, popular culture. We have Bollywood, India, yeah. I think everybody know India's culture. I'm sorry, in Bollywood, one of which. And then also Mahabharata and Ramayana, the first slide that I showed you, telling about that one, yeah. And then also, who know that K-pop from Korea. This is the culture that most young learners like to see, especially the movie. And then Taekwondo, for example, from Korea also. And then the next one is Kung Fu from China. Yeah, Kung Fu Master. Yeah, I think one of the most movie star from China is Jet Li, or who is the next? The other one is besides Jet Li is Jackie Chan, right? Yeah, you're right, Jackie Chan. Okay. And then also, I think everybody know Great Wall. Great Wall is from China. This is also example of Asian popular culture. Now let's see the Western popular culture. Okay, beside Bollywood from India, we have also Hollywood from United States. Yeah, Hawaiian culture also is also from United States of America. Music like rock, pop, R&B, R&B, rap, and blues, etc., is also from Western culture. Eiffels, the what is it? The building, yeah. Big band also from London. Sports also derived from the industry. Theater Broadway is also the example from Ocean. Now, overlapping between folk and popular culture. Yeah, Overlap means that one culture, is above the other culture, or one culture below the other culture is overlapping. Now, popular culture often appropriate as aspect of folk culture. Um, you see that popular culture often appropriate aspects of folk culture. So between folk culture and popular culture is what is it? Sometimes it is intertwining. Yeah. Then the line sometimes is not clear. What I mean by not clear is sometimes, oh, is it folk or is it pop? Yeah, popular or folk? Yeah. Let's say, for example, Balinese, Bromo, Sundanese tradition exists in the brochure of travel agency. I think if you want to travel from one place to another to another place in Indonesia, you need to have the brochure of travel agency containing Balinese and Sundanese, yeah, also Bromo tradition, yeah, over there. What is the implication of having cross-cultural understanding, intercultural communication on the implication on our teaching learning process over here? Um, what is it? Uh, Consuming popular culture, resisting popular culture, representing cultural group, and also cultural imperialism. In teaching learning process, because today the era of internet information communication technology, or ICT, is very fast today. um, of course, it is very easy to consume some popular culture and folk culture, not only in Indonesia but all over the world. Okay, see that? All right, Matur, thank you very much for joining my class. And let's go back to the previous slide. All right, class. Thanks for joining today. Hopefully that this video is going to be very beneficial for you to learn more about popular culture and folk culture all over the world. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye, salam sejahtera bagi kita semua.